Oh, now you got Panther the plumber. She's trying to stop the drip. It's like, well, how do I stop it? Well, you have to try to catch it in your mouth. That might help. Okay, she's going to get down in the water. Uh-oh, she got her foot wet. Let me show you something, Mumbles. Look. Let me show you how to do this. Hey, let me turn the light on here. You do this, you go. And now see you got water down in there. This is how you let the water out. Uh-oh. There goes the water. The water gone. Yeah. You fixed it. You fixed it. Yeah, you fixed the plumbing problem. Yeah, you fixed it. Thank you. Thank you for fixing the drippy faucet.